Internationally, do you think that there are more baby boys or baby girls being born? Why don't you write your answer in the comment section? I'll give you the answer again.
I can't read. What's it say?
Oh, and please don't cheat. Hey everyone, today we're going to test some speedy microwave recipes. Let's get started. So we'll need milk, of course, water, pasta, cream and cheese. So after you put the water and the pasta in the microwave, you're going to add some cream. Please don't give doses, so I guess it's according to your taste. And some cheese. And we microwave it again for about 5 seconds. Then you mix it all and it's ready. It's quite al dente, so if you like it, that's a yes. Definitely useful when you're in a rush. For the next recipe, all you need is an egg and some salt. Let's separate. There you go. Add some salt. And beat. Now you get a very fluffy cloud. And we are going to microwave.
A few moments later.
And microwave for 15 seconds.
It tastes like rubber. Let's move on.
So we're going to need 1 egg.
A few moments later. Much later.
Shit.
One eternity later.
But it's my favorite.
Amazing!
First I would put the mug cake, then the cheesy pasta, and definitely not the egg. It's baby boys. Internationally there are about 107 baby boys for every 100 baby girls.
Thank you for watching and see you soon. Bye!